Hello and welcome to the U-Select Catering Equipment Review Show. This week we're looking at the Blue Seal Turbofan oven range. Blue Seal are a New Zealand company that have built their reputation on the Turbofan range. They are convection ovens, but of the very highest order. The Blue Seal Turbofan range are convection ovens. They use a fan and they're there for anyone who wants to bake, roast or stew, creating hot meals for their offer. Any size of business really can benefit from the use of a turbofan because they are great quality and they work very well indeed. So how do you pick the right one for you? Well, there are two distinct series. There's the 20 series and the 30 series. The 20 series is there as the value range. It's for smaller businesses and those who want to just add to their hot food offer without breaking the bank. All of those models come with a drop down door and they are available in 2, 3 and 4 rack versions. The 30 series is for larger, more established businesses. It's a little bit harder wearing and has a few more bells and whistles on it. Doors open sideways and they come in 3 and 4 rack versions. Some of the features you might want to look for if you're going to be doing baking, they have a narrow and a wide gauge size in all of the 20 and the 30 series. If you want to do baking, go for the wide size. Those are the ones that can fit the 460 by 660 millimeter trays. Also, if you're going to be doing baking, there are models, a lot of them have steam injection, which is very important if you want to put a crust on the bread that you're baking, so do look out for that. Most of the units, apart from the E22 and the E31D4, feature a thing called a bi-directional fan, and what that means is the fan will change direction whilst it's cooking. That ensures that the heat is spread very evenly in the cooking chamber, and this means that you can get very consistent results from when you are cooking in a turbofan. So the turbofans in the 20 and 30 series come in 3 distinct styles. They come in manual, digital and touchscreen. The manual are, well, exactly like it says on the tin. They're very simple to use. They have a timer dial, a temperature dial, and if you have steam injection in your model, it has a steam dial as well. Basically, you control it by hand and that's all that you do. Moving up the complexity scale, you go to the digital. That has a little LED readout of the temperature and the time and sometimes the program that you might be using. Very exact temperatures, but more than that, you can program in multi-step programs. So you can say, stay at one temperature for half an hour, go up to another temperature for maybe an hour, and then drop down for 20 minutes at the end. The most complex from the turbofans are the touchscreen, and these are following the recent trend from things like the Rationale and the Naboo combis to have a drag and drop touchscreen interface with lots of different programs preloaded onto it. It's a very easy system to use, it's very intuitive, and like I say, it can do a lot for you, so do check them out if you're looking for a little bit more help in the kitchen when you're preparing food. So if you're looking to buy a turbofan, there's something there for everyone, from small cafes all the way up to Michelin-starred chefs, from people just adding an extra bit of hot food to their menu to people wanting to do specialist baking. There you go.